How to stop wasting money on small expenses that are keeping you broke. Your salary is not disappearing, it's leaking. And the worst part, you don't even notice it. Because it's not one big expense, it's hundreds of small ones. Let's look at a simple day. Morning chai, just 20 rupees. A small snack, just 50. A cab ride, just a little convenience. Food delivery at night, just for comfort. It doesn't feel like much. That's how it tricks you. But when you add it all together, it becomes hundreds in a day, thousands in a month. And suddenly, you're not saving anything. Not because you earn less, but because you don't notice where your money is going. But here's the good news. You can fix this. And you don't need to suffer to do it. You just need awareness. Start noticing your daily spending. Pause before small decisions. Ask yourself, do I really need this? And instead of removing everything, replace habits. Home food instead of delivery. Walking instead of unnecessary rides. Simple choices. Big difference. Because wealth is not built in big moments. It's built in small, daily decisions. Every time you choose wisely, you keep a little more money with you. And over time, those small savings become something powerful. So the next time you spend, pause for a second. Think. Choose consciously. Because small leaks decide your future.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.